Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 2019 Ford Mustang convertible, and this is a special edition in this series, and this is by Matchbox, and this is from their moving part series. And I bought this for $399, so which is the MRP. So I'm actually quite excited to unbox this one because this looks really beautiful inside the back. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions of this car is actually this looks really beautiful. The rims are unique. I personally love those rims. It has a good depth to it, and the interior details are nice as well. So here it says Matchbox 70 years. So the only nitpick here is, they could have just added some kind of plastic for the headlights. They just decided to paint it away. But still, this is a really nice piece. The tail lights are painted as well. So the doors are the openable parts here. Luckily the windshield doesn't have any scratches and closes really nice. It has some good satisfying click to it. It is not loose or anything. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it is definitely not smooth and the wheels does wobble. So this is not a good piece for a track, but this looks really beautiful. You can keep it in your showcase, or in a box like this, or even outside like this. This is going to be beautiful. And I'm happy that they included the rear view mirrors here. I personally love the rims. I'm just telling this again, but I just love these rims. Okay, one more thing, the wheels are actually made of plastic. It's not rubber. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing, and share this video as well. So as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.